Calgary, a vibrant city in the heart of Alberta, Canada. Hey adventurers! Are you planning to visit or relocate to Calgary? We are diving into the various transportation options available in the city. From public transit to biking, we've got you covered. Let's explore the best ways to get around the blue sky city of Canada. Let's start with the CTrain. The CTrain is Calgary's light rail transit system, offering two lines that connect the city's northwest, northeast, south, and west. It's a quick and efficient way to travel, especially during rush hours. It has two lines. The red line, line 201, has 20 stations that runs from Tuscany in the northwest to Somerset Riddlewood in the south. While the blue line, line 201, has 17 stations and connects Saddletown in the northeast to 69th Street in the west. Both lines are operating between 4 a.m. and 1 a.m. Next, we have the bus system. With over 150 routes, Calgary Transit buses can take you almost anywhere in the city. All Calgary Transit buses are accessible and it features low floors, ramps, and space for wheelchairs and strollers. For both the CTrain and buses, you can purchase your tickets from several convenient locations and platforms. This includes the MyFare app, the Transit app, customer service center locations, online at calgarytransit.com/shop, ticket vending machine at CTrain stations, convenience and grocery stores, and the City Hall cashiers. This variety of options makes it easy to get your tickets wherever you are in the city. Calgary is also a bike-friendly city with extensive cycle paths and bike lanes. Whether you're commuting or just enjoying a leisurely ride, you'll find plenty of routes to explore. Don't forget to check out the Bow River Pathway for some scenic views. Calgary's downtown core is very walkable, with wide sidewalks and the unique Plus 15 Skywalk system. The Plus 15 is a network of enclosed walkways that connect buildings, allowing you to walk around downtown without braving the elements. This is especially useful during Calgary's harsh winters. For a fun and eco-friendly way to get around, consider using shared e-scooters. You can easily rent them through their apps. Just find a scooter, scan the QR code, and you're ready to go. It's a great option for short trips, exploring parks, and navigating downtown city. You can also use them almost anytime. Most e-scooter services operate 24/7, giving you the flexibility to ride whenever you need it. So there you have it, folks. Thanks for joining me today and safe travels. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Thank you.